Throughout history, people have harnessed the power of the wind. They have used the wind to fill their sail and to turn their windmills. The depletion of the world's natural resources and the harmful pollution associated with certain types of energy has spurred the search for cleaner, alternative sources of energy. The world's leading energy companies are actively engaged in pursuing these new energy technologies. DTEC is a leader in this field. We possess the greatest expertise in power engineering in Ukraine, and our alternative energy division is rapidly growing. DTEC is guided by three principles. Wind power will improve the Ukrainian ecosystem. Wind power will help satisfy the growing demand for energy. As a renewable resource, wind power will address our long-term energy needs. After taking over 500 million measurements, we selected the site for the Ботиево wind farm. The base of each wind turbine reaches 28 meters deep into the earth, the height of a 9-story building. The towers are 94 meters high. The blade span is bigger than a football field. The total height of a wind turbine rivals that of the Cologne Cathedral. Ботиево's turbines, built by Vestas, the world leader in turbine manufacturing, could conceivably work at the North Pole at temperature of minus 40 degrees or in the desert at temperatures of over 50 degrees. They are capable of producing electricity in wind speeds that are as low as 3 meters per second. Our wind turbines were the largest cargo that has ever entered Mariupol harbor. The control center was designed by Viktor Lukashov, a Zaporozhye architect. Two hoisting cranes with 750 and 160 tons of load lift capacity respectively. The first can lift more than 3 Airbus jets at once are required to mount the turbines. 20 trucks were required to transport each crane. Despite these massive challenges, a new wind turbine is installed every 3 days. This makes the Ботиево wind farm the most modern and powerful wind farm in Ukraine. It is capable of supplying clean energy to hundreds of thousands of Ukrainian families. After construction is completed, the Ботиево wind farm will reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 730,000 tons annually, what is more than the emissions produced by 365,000 Ukrainian cars annually. Over the course of 20 years, the wind farm is projected to save more than 8 million barrels of oils or 6 million tons of coal. For us, alternative energy is not just a business. It's an investment into Ukraine's future prosperity. We invest billions of hryvnias annually into the modernization of Ukrainian power production. And the Ботиево wind farm is the first DTEC project carried out from idea up to realization. In the future, we plan to produce another 1,000 megawatts of clean energy. The Ботиево wind farm is only the first step toward a cleaner, more energy-independent Ukraine. DTEC. We bring light and warmth to people.